Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm Dan, known as DFH, and it's pretty hot today. That's why I got the shirt off. But I thought I'd do a little sound demo of my keyboard here. This is the Korg EK-50L. Now, why the L? Really? Supposedly, they added more stuff than the previous EK-50 here, and they doubled actually the wattage on the built-in speakers here. So this thing is so loud that you don't even need an amp or PA system really to jam with like a whole band or small clubs or anything like that, which is really cool. So anyways, let's get to it. Now with Korg, they're one of my personal favorite keyboards because of the sounds. I just think they're one of the best sounding keyboards out of the group there of Korg, Roland, Casio, Yamaha. But I do have one of each, surprisingly. I have this Korg, I have a Roland JDXI, but that's a synthesizer. So completely different animal here. I got a Casio WK245. That's a very beginner keyboard, and the sounds are kind of cheesy. In my opinion, it does have a good piano sound, and the keys are weighted so it almost feels like a piano. That's the good thing about it, and that's why I still keep using it. Also, my dad bought it for me, so personal attachment there. But anyways, let's dive right in and get started with the string sounds. Now, people often revere these string sounds from the Korg here, so let's get started. And strings. Okay, number 61 here, so I'm just gonna scroll through using this little dial here. You just twist it around. Oh, went one back. Okay, here we go. Here's the strings. Now this keyboard is only turned up a third of the way, and it's already pretty loud. Now the cool thing about this, that I've been figuring out here, is it's got lower, upper, upper 2, upper 3. So you got 4 different options for each sound. So say you want to add some more high end, you can add upper 2, and you can have all 4 going. Really gives you so many options. You got over 200 sounds with this thing, and you got 4 options. Do the math, that's 800 sounds. It's pretty crazy. And it just sounds so good. It sounds like I have a real orchestra in my hands, and it's not like cheesy or anything. It's very, very realistic, in my opinion. So here, let's pop over to, see, we got the bow strings. A little bit different feel. Alright. Mind you, I've only been playing keyboard for about 3 months now, so I'm not as good as my guitar skills when it comes to playing the keyboard, but I'm actually having more fun doing this, so that's why I'm playing keyboards now. But yeah, again, with these, you can add the default setting is lower, upper, and upper 2, so that's 3 things you got. So if you want to add the 4th, you can also take them away. Say you don't want a lot of upper, you can just have the one. Which is cool. Like, there's 3 different sounds, and I just been on the same setting. That's really cool. Another thing I like about this keyboard is the bell sounds that they got. So scroll here through the bell sounds. Again, you can it makes two sounds together here when you add in that upper part. Really, really cool. Oh. Scroll through again.